Hey Divi Nation, and welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. And this week we have for you a beautiful massage therapy layout pack I think you're going to love. The Massage Therapy Layout Pack is purely crafted for massage therapy companies who are serious about promoting high-quality products and services. The design brings a sense of tranquility that will impress online visitors, and you are going to love how well massage products, services, and packages are organized for readers, making it easy to book appointments. So go ahead and check it out. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this massage therapy layout pack on your own website. Now before you can start adding pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder, you must first make sure and authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options. Then click the Updates tab. Make sure your username and API key is entered correctly, and then click Save Changes. Now you should have access to all of the pre-made layouts from the Divi Builder without any problems. Now you're ready to start creating your new pages and then adding your pre-made layouts to each of those pages. First, go to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the Massage Therapy Layout Pack, and then select it. You'll see a preview of all of the different layouts on the right. Find the one that you want, select it, and then click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, feel free to deploy the desktop view mode, or if you want, go ahead and start building on the front end as well. When everything looks all right, go ahead and make sure and save it or publish it. And you'll want to continue this same process to create all of the pages and then add those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. When you're done, you're ready to add a primary menu to your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. You'll see all of your pages that you've created here on the left. Go ahead and select all of them, and then add them to your menu. Then you can organize your menu items however you like. Don't forget to set your display location to primary menu, and then click Save Menu. And for one last step, you'll want to create a static home page for your website. To do that, go over to Settings and then Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding home page pre-made layout. Then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Massage Therapy Layout Pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new layout pack. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you don't miss out on any future freebies we'll be throwing your way. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.